2 bars of walks. So you go walk, 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 regular walk, right? But then in the end, 2, 3, you go boom, jump like a little bit through the delay walk. And then, yeah, delay walk right there. So from here, you do delay walk and go 1, ta, ta, ta. That was good, 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 good. The next point was when you fly like a butterfly.
Let's do arms also turns into the butterfly from the front.
Okay, yes. So you did this, you close, and arms goes up and open down. And then you do the butterfly. The most important, keep your body up there, don't lean and land. Oh, sorry. Pa, pa. Then I remember this one. So here you sometimes don't do press line. You just tick, stay. So you can add a little bit more weight there and press line. Boom, right? And turn and finish like. And point number 4 then. Once you finish that other telemark, you synchronize with Oleg like this. Ooh, boom, boom. Then it's all good, good, good. So that part was good, good, good.
But you still can give points.
Okay, walk, walk. So what's, I don't remember what piece. 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and what is the turn? Here, okay, so when you land on that leg, so your arm can be a little bit articulated more, and then point number 5 is, oops, you leaning like over him like a towel, and then open again and lean again, right? So gradual leaning. Then 1, 2, so you swivel. It's actually good. Ronde we set another point to the number 7, which is number point. So you keep that hip open all the way around rather than cutting it short like this, right? So you turn all the way, palm, palm. And what else we do here? I don't know your routine, guys. So palm, 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 and ta, 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 ta. Something like that. And stop like that. And continue, 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 and then finish, right? So the point number, let's say 8, you need to constantly continue the movement. Depends how long like he's doing that, but as long as he's doing it, I'm continuing. So you have tendency like kind of like what's next? Wait, right? So don't wait. Pum, 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 shaboom. So let's say if we play experiment, if he does, let's say, even longer, what should I do in that case? Like, let's say we dance, and then he, let's say, never turn me in. I'll do something with my arm, something but normally he does not overextend, so you will be not really like, it will be not necessary to create too many arms. Just sort of for you, normally what happened, you stop in here and you wait. So keep doing something with your fingers in your arm. And then here, then we do what?
Come back.
Oh, I get it, I get it, I get it. So from there you go boom, boom, and something like that.
Come back.
Oh, okay. This one, and then turn, 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 and sit. So, oh, thank God. Remember. 2, 3, 4, 2, and now that this is the seat, right? What? The seat, it's another point. So when you sit, how you build these lines, it's a little bit specific because it's sideways. So you want to keep one foot kind of parallel, another foot more here, and extend it to the side. So it's kind of side position, and then your knee will match the foot like that. So that exercise kind of number 1. So you have tendency to do a little bit something like in like this. So feet and knees are together, especially this one. It don't go over like too much there. And you see how my butt sends sort of this way rather than just like this. So send it there. And foot plus minus, I'm like putting a little bit usually in the front, a very high toe. And then you can do a little bit of a hip action. Sometimes you start moving feet. Don't move feet in that position. So you just sit and do the shoo, shoo, shoo. I slightly come through this little tightness in the end, just for the, I don't know, beautiful thing moment. Ta. Here, arm. Don't forget to add arm a little bit. And then tick, spiral. And here we said just keep walking like not, you don't know what's gonna happen. Like don't anticipate the whole thing, right?